Greetings, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Smart Bitcoin Investments. Today, we have an exciting and comprehensive guide on how to buy Bitcoin with faster payment service using 6 reputable exchanges. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or seeking a faster, more convenient way to acquire Bitcoin, this video is your roadmap. Let's embark on this journey together. First, let's establish a solid understanding of what faster payment service is and why it's a game changer in the crypto world. The faster payment system is a UK-based payment system that enables near-instant bank transfers and was created in 2008. The service facilitates real-time payments of up to £1 million, initiated primarily online, mobile, or via telephone banking for millions of individuals, businesses, and charities across the UK. In fact, virtually everyone in the United Kingdom with a bank account has access to the faster payment services. The service enables banks, societies, and other fintech and payment service providers to safely connect and securely make payments through the faster payment system central infrastructure. Some of the benefits of the faster payment services include fast transaction times and reduced fees for purchasing Bitcoin. Before we dive into the exchanges, it's crucial to prepare for your Bitcoin purchase. Some of the prerequisites for faster payment services include having a UK-based bank account and a secure cryptocurrency wallet where you can deposit your crypto and Bitcoin. It's important to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange for your faster payment services transactions so that you can safely and securely receive your Bitcoin after purchasing it. Now, let's introduce you to the 6 exchanges where you can buy Bitcoin with faster payment services. The first exchange is eToro, an excellent platform for buying and trading cryptocurrencies. eToro is a great choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account because it is popular and supported globally. They also have excellent customer support should you require any type of assistance. The first step is setting up your eToro account. Go to Join eToro, and now you'll be brought to a screen where you can enter an email address, a username, and a password. Then you will need to create an account. After you have done so, eToro will send you an email to verify your account so that you can begin buying and selling Bitcoin. Now, let's link your bank account to eToro for seamless transactions. Go to Deposit Funds, and now you will be asked to fund your account using PayPal, debit card, or bank account. Select Bank Account. Now, go ahead and link your bank account with eToro. With your bank account linked, let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on the eToro platform. Go to Search and type in Bitcoin. Now click on Trade for Bitcoin. This will open a window where you can select how much you would like to invest directly into Bitcoin. You can select Market Orders or Limit Orders as your order type. Once you are ready to place a trade, go ahead and click Confirm. Congratulations! You successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on eToro with your bank account. The second exchange is Sex.io, a reliable platform for buying and trading cryptocurrencies. Sex.io is a popular exchange that supports customers all over the globe. Sex.io offers many payment features, including Apple Pay, bank account, and debit card, credit card to complete your purchases. The first step is to create your Sex.io account. Go to Register, and now create your account whether you are a business account or personal account. Sex.io will ask you to verify your identity so that you can begin to use the platform. After you have verified your Sex.io account, it's now time to link your bank account to Sex.io for easy transactions. Go to Products, Wallet, and then find Bitcoin and then select Add Funds. Go to Select Payment Method, and you should see an option for faster payments. Enter the total amount you want to purchase. Make sure that everything looks correct, including the fee, commission, as well as the total amount. Then go to Proceed. Make sure that you are satisfied with your purchase, and then go to Buy. Congratulations! You successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Sex.io with your bank account. Next, let's get to know Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Coinbase is known as a reputable platform thanks to its user-friendly interface and security features. Over 30 million people worldwide choose Coinbase for buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which makes it a great choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account. The first step is to create your Coinbase account. Go to Sign Up, and choose your account type, whether it's individual or business, to get started. Now you'll need to create an account by entering in your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. After certifying that you're 18 years of age or older, you can then create your free account. Coinbase will send you a verification email for you to complete that will activate your account. Now let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase platform using your bank account. Go to Bitcoin, and then go to buy and sell. This will open up a buy and sell screen where you can now select your payment method. Go to add a new payment method, and then select bank account. Next, you will need to connect to Plaid to log into your bank account. Coinbase will automatically link with your bank account using Plaid. After your bank account has been successfully linked with Coinbase, you can go back to the buy section to complete your purchase. Go to preview buy, and now you can see your entire order details, including fees and the total amount of purchase. You can also select invest weekly if you want to make weekly purchases. When you are satisfied with your order, go to buy now. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with your bank account. The next exchange is Kraken, a trusted cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust security measures and user-friendly interface. Kraken is actually one of the first Bitcoin exchanges on the market and is a great choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account and with wire transfers. Kraken is known for its security and great customer support. The first step is to go to sign up. Then select personal or business as the type of account that you want to open. Enter your username, email, a secure password, and then accept the terms of service and privacy policy to create your account. Kraken will send you an activation email that you will need to approve in order to activate your account. Now that you have created your account, it's time to link your bank account to Kraken for easy transactions. From the homepage, go to your profile and go to payment methods. Now select add a payment method to buy crypto instantly. Go to add a bank account. You will need to connect to your bank by entering your username and password. Now let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on the Kraken platform. From the Kraken homepage, look for Bitcoin and then go to buy. Now enter the amount that you want to purchase and then review your order. You can also make recurring purchases if you desire. Now go to review your purchase and ensure that all the details are correct. Once you are ready to proceed, hit the checkbox and confirm your order. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken with your bank account. Our next exchange is Coinmama, a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Coinmama is known for its user-friendliness and ease of use and serves customers all over the world. Coinmama is an excellent choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account because they are safe, secure, and have excellent customer support. Step 1 is setting up your Coinmama account. From the homepage, go to sign up. Now you will be asked to create a Coinmama account using your email address and a secure password. Coinmama will send you a verification email that you can confirm to activate your account. Now, let's explore how to buy Bitcoin on a Coinmama platform. From the homepage, go to buy. Now, go to payment methods and select Great Britain Pounds. Here you'll be able to select faster payments services. Select Bitcoin as your cryptocurrency and continue. Coinmama will send you a verification email where you can then complete your purchase. You can send your Bitcoins directly into a secure Bitcoin wallet. I recommend having a hardware cold storage wallet to secure your Bitcoins in the event of a security breach or hack. Congratulations, you successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Coinmama with your bank account. The next exchange is Gemini, a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Gemini is a well-known and reputable platform known for its security measures and user-friendly interface. Owned by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is an excellent choice for buying Bitcoin with your bank account. The first step is to create your Gemini account. Go to sign up, and from here select either individual or business as the type of account that you want to open. Next, enter your legal first name, last name, email, number, and a secure password. Then you will need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy in order to create your account. Gemini will send you an activation email that you will need to confirm in order to activate your account and begin trading on Gemini. Now that you have activated your Gemini account, let's link your bank account to Gemini for smooth transactions. From the Gemini dashboard, go to Account and Settings. Now go to Payment Methods and select Add Payment Method. Now you have two options for choosing bank account as a payment method. You can choose either bank account instantly via Plaid or bank account manually, where you will enter your account and routing numbers. You can choose either one, but we recommend going with bank account instantly via Plaid. Now go ahead and link your bank account with Gemini. After your bank account has been linked, you can begin purchasing Bitcoin using bank account. Go to your Market tab, and from here select Bitcoin. Go over to Make a Trade, where it says Buy, and select How Often. Here you can choose to order once, daily, weekly, twice monthly, or monthly, depending on your order frequency. Next, you will want to enter the amount that you want to purchase, and double check to make sure everything looks good before you continue. Now go to Review Order. You should see a purchase amount that you just chose with the payment method that you linked earlier, and the total amount that you wish to purchase. Confirm your order details including the fees, and confirm Buy when you're ready to move forward with the purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini with your bank account. That concludes our comprehensive guide on purchasing Bitcoin with faster payment service across multiple exchanges. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more educational content. Remember, knowledge is your best asset in the crypto world, so keep learning, stay secure, and enjoy your cryptocurrency journey. Thanks for joining us, and happy investing.